Hey guys, Prasan here. So I get a lot of questions from a lot of people on how to use Claude Code, or a lot of people are asking me like, what's the latest in AI on how to utilize AI better? And I'm in the trenches with these things. Like I've been using AI every day for a long time. So I wanted to talk today about Claude Code and how to use it. Whether you're non-technical, technical, doesn't matter. Especially if you're non-technical, you should learn how to use it. So this video is specifically for you because I know all the technical people I know are already using this. So if you've been using AI, ChatGPT, if you don't know what Claude is just another AI model, just like ChatGPT, developed by this company called Anthropic. It's a competitor to ChatGPT, and they built this thing called Claude Code. And what it is, it's basically an AI that can run in your computer, and it can write code. Now, it cannot just write, like it's not just for writing code, it's just basically an AI that can do anything on your computer, right? So for example, if you're, let me show you how to use it. So there's this app on the Mac called Terminal. I think on Windows it's called Command Shell. So let's just open it first. So there's this app on your Mac called Terminal. You can search it and open it. It's usually in like the below bottom bar. You can see is like a black icon, and you can do Command plus to like increase the size if you want. But yeah, what is a terminal, right? So terminal is the most basic way to interact with your computer. So before we had operating systems like Mac OS, Windows, whatever, where you can like click things, open folders, stuff like that. There was an operating system called Linux, right? And what Linux is basically this without all the UI, the user interface, and the arrows and whatever you're seeing. Like what it is basically you can access your computer through commands, right? So for example, there's one command called ls called list directory. So it'll list everything there is in my root folder. So instead of going to this finder and then go to this and seeing what I have, I can just list everything here. So I don't need to go to the finder. Let me go into my desktop, right? So now I'm in my desktop. Let's list what's in my desktop. So it's like a screenshot, books folder, there's this. Let me open this file, open, right? So it will open it for me. I don't have to click buttons and go there. So this is at the base level what a terminal is. You can access your computer through commands, right? So now what Claude Code does is it's an AI that can sit on your terminal. So everything you can do on your computer, you can do through a terminal. So basically, it's basically like if you put an AI in your terminal, it can basically run the computer for you for anything you want to do, right? So let's just first go to how to install Claude Code. So if you want to install it, you basically just take this command, copy it, paste it here, and run it, and then your Claude Code will be installed. For me, it's already installed, so I'm not going to run it again. So yeah, once you install it, all you have to do is Claude, just like write Claude, the name, and it will open it up for you. So let me close this. Yes, I trust this folder. Now before Terminal was only used by technical people, right, or developers, right, who knew all of these commands, how to run this. Now with AI, like you don't need to know any of these commands, right? You can just be like, what's in this folder? So yeah, it's running this command for you. I don't need to remember this command. It's just running it. So again, it might look daunting, this interface, but I'm just typing things, right? Like, and it's just giving me outputs, right? So I can also be like, look up Prasan Pandya on Twitter and create a website for him. So it can also now do web search. So it has capabilities to do web search. So it can look me up. And then, I mean, the primary thing is really good at is coding. So it can create my website. Now it has access to my computer, so it can create files, it can, download things, it can modify files. And if you think about it, like everything that you use that is digital, at its root level, it's code, right? Like even your videos are code, like at its root level. So it can also modify. So I actually already created a file before to film this demo, but let me just create a new one. So I'll delete this thing, move to trash. So it should create a new one. Yeah, that's, and again, you can do a lot of back and forth with this. You can give like more context on how you want the website, whatever. Like for the demo, I'm just gonna let it do whatever it wants. So yeah, let's see what it comes up with. So again, throughout this process, as you can see, I'm not doing anything. I'm not typing anything. It's just, I'm not even writing code, even though I know how to write code. It's just doing the thing by itself. So that is the magical Claude Code. Like ChatGPT can just like, any AI in a browser can just answer questions, but like this can actually do things once you put it on your computer. And eventually you can also get it to edit videos and whatnot. Let's just do allow all edits to, and I'm just typing things like 1, 2, 3, whatever, like. So it created it. Open it. Okay, it's taking a long time. Let me just open this myself. Here. So this is what it came up with. This is the website that was generated on the fly right now in like 2 minutes. Right? With like links that are working. This is my actual startup, right? This is my actual tweets that it pulled out from my Twitter. Right. Yeah, this is like my actual tweet. Crazy. And I can do a lot of back and forth to improve this website, add images, whatever I want, right? Like you can, it's based on your creative levels, what you want it to do. So that's all I wanted to say. Sometimes it like gets stuck, I think. I mean, they're probably having some issue with the server. Just like any tech, there's room for errors. But yeah, that is the magic of Claude Code. So just wanted to make this video to get you guys to try terminal. I think this is the best way to use AI right now, is install it on your computer. Don't use a lot of these desktop apps. Just use this terminal. It's like a very good raw interface. It can do things. Everything else has limitations. This one has the least amount of limitations. So, don't use, there's an application called Claude Code, which is like same version of this, but for non-technical people. I wouldn't use it. I think it's simple enough for everyone to use. That one has limitations. This one doesn't. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how simple it is to start using AI and get it to do things for you. I think this one has a subscription that you need to get. So I would say the $20 you pay for this are more than worth it. I pay $100 because I use it a lot for coding, but you should pay the $20 again. Don't be cheap. This can literally change your life. Let me show you my setup on how I use this. So I'm actually I have like 5 different Claude agents running right now, like meaning that I'm working with at the same time. So this is also terminal, but it's like a better terminal. So once you get used to using a terminal, there's a lot of different other apps that make it a little better to use Claude, add different tabs and stuff. So I have this one project running for content that I basically put a bunch of clips in a folder, and I told it to analyze it for one of the trips I did in January, and it analyzed a bunch of clips, and it found clips for me to do like daily life video. And yeah, it can create like a reel for me, basically. I mean, it's not perfect. There's a lot of back and forth I need to do, but I didn't touch an editing software. I just pasted the clips and it generated stuff for me. So you can see the potential here. I have an agent running for my reader that I talk to make changes on my startup. That's my startup. I have like a personal assistant app that I'm building. Yeah, like a language learning bot I'm building. So once you start getting used to using Claude, the possibilities are endless. The only limitation is your brain context and creativity and your ideas. So yeah, the future is already here. Start using Claude Code. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer. So, all right, that's it. Peace.